But you have if you have a NVR, that would be great because you can do the recording all the year, all the year for 365 days, all days recording. But if you use your NVR, you should, just look at the connection. You need another cable connect between the NVR to your POE switch. Here I just use another cable to connect my POE switch to my NVR. Let's take a close look at what my NVR looks like. Now, this is the 8 channel NVR. So here comes to the another connection. If you have an NVR, you have your POE switch. Use 2 cables, 1 cable to connect the POE switch and your NVR, another cable to connect the POE switch and your built-in POE camera. Because it is the POE camera, so you don't need extra power adapter to this camera. This port is useless. And also this cable was connected to my router. You see here there are 3 cables. These cables connect the POE switch to the PTZ camera, and this cable is for the NVR and the POE switch, and this cable is to the router. Now let's take a look at the NVR screen, the screen of the NVR. This is the 8 channel NVR, and how to put the PTZ camera to this screen. Now you can see there is a plus marked symbol. I just click, and fast I can see the PTZ camera's IP address. It is this one. I just add to the screen. Add, apply. See here, I just add this camera to my NVR screen. Okay, just exist. And double click, and this is the screen. Now you can use your NVR to control the PTZ camera. That means no matter even if you don't have the internet, you can also to use the NVR to remote review control the PTZ camera, and also you can do the 24 hours recording if you have a hard drive. See, I will show you how to use this NVR to control the PTZ camera. You see, I just right click and I choose PTZ control, and here I can use the direction up and down, zoom out. Yes, that is very easy. Now this video show you how to use your NVR. I mean, if you have an NVR, you can also use your NVR to control a remote view this PTZ camera. And please, I want to say again that because it is the built-in POE camera, so you don't need extra power adapter to this camera. You only need a POE switch and some cables, and your NVR. And because you see, I just the POE switch connect to the internet. This cable was connected to the router, so I can also use my computer to visit this camera. And also for the NVR, I can also use the Internet Explorer to visit the NVR too. I mean, both of the camera and the NVR, we can just use our computer Internet Explorer to visit. And we have known that the IP address of this PTZ camera is 192.168.1.111. But what is the IP address of this NVR? Here I show you how to find the NVR's IP address. Right click, I choose main menu, and I go to system and network. You can see I can see the IP address of this NVR is 1.128. So I can also just use the Internet Explorer to visit this IP address. Now this is the NVR's login surface. Just permission. Username, admin, and the password is empty. Yeah, so this is the 8-channel NVR screen. Just okay. And I want to put the camera to this NVR. Double click, and I can use the direction to control the PTZ camera. Now maybe you will be very confused because you got two IP address. One is for the camera and one is for the NVR. And you can see this IP address .111 is the PTZ camera screen, and this one is the NVR's login screen. They are two different devices. And this part of video just to show you